to interpret these words etymologically. Similarly, Aditya has the epithets of Kavi in Rigved. In Rigved 48.4, the word Kanav has been used as an adjective. So the beauty is we are seeing adjective, verbs, context, usage, all these things. This might be giving you an idea of how the Vedic mantras are interpreted. Sometimes you have adjectives, sometimes you have a verb, sometimes you have affixes. You have to go to the root. It is possible only if we take all word as derivative denoting radical sense. Even the Vedic text contain etymological explanation of the word. Rigved 8:96.4 says, Chiyavanam Chiyatunattanam Ashnanta Vishvani. Sorry, the text is not very clear, Vishvani. In Rigved, Agni has been called as Indra, Mitra, Varuna and Matarisva. Coming to the point, we all know in Hinduism there is a god called Indra. Basically, there is nothing like Indra. I always used to think, like when I was around 10 years or 11 years, that do we have so many people living somewhere? Like you have Indra, then you have Shiva, you have Parvati, there is a son called Ganesh. There is a whole family. There are wars which are fought between gods. I never ever thought about this, that there might be some other place where all these great people are living. But my friends, there is nothing like that which exists. Basically, when you take it as a proper noun, like Indra, Mitra and Varuna, you come out with people. You come out with a family out of Vedic mantras. But when you see that Agni is the fire which might be burning on planet Earth, which might be burning in universe somewhere where oxygen is there, or which might be an explosion. So Indra, Mitra, Varuna, they are basically the same name of Agni. How can it be possible if we do not accept these words denouncing general sense? Ekam Sat Vipra Badhva Vadanti. Already we know that truth is one, but the name can be different. That's why the God has 101 names. Now there are different meanings at different places. I'll not go into the detail. The presentation will be provided, whoever need. So Agni is a Brahman. It's a lightning as per Durga. The way it's an omniscient God also. It's a supreme Lord also. Vishnu also. Similarly, Apa. Apa generally we think it's a water, but no, it does not mean water. It came from the root Ap. It has pervaded. It's an omnipresent God also. It's a supreme soul. Cow, atmospherical region. So in Veda, if Apa is written, it doesn't mean it's talking only about water. It might be a region in the atmosphere where the change, that condensation and evaporation, that process might be going on. Then Indra. Again, Indra is not a proper noun. Indra is air, Surya, God, supreme soul. It can be a rich trader also. Ratri, supreme soul. Ratri is not only night. It can be. It is called for the God also. Savita. Savita has many meanings, numerous meanings. Agni, Varuna, Vayu, thunder mode, sun, moon, mind, soul, God, sacrificer. So this might have given you enough idea that one word has multiple meaning and is used based on a context. Thus we see the yogic method is the only scientific way to interpret the Vedas. The entire Vedic literature admits the superiority of this method. It has support of all sages. There is no difference. Actually, these are the modern scholars like Sayan, Mahidar, and a lot of Hindu scholars which have misinterpreted the meaning. I will not say they have intentionally done it, but they might not be aware of this methodology, right? Because if today there are only 20,000 people who are aware of this method, imagine in last 2,000 years when the country was ruled by Islamic invaders, what might have happened? Somehow they protected it. I think that is good enough for us. And now it is coming up slowly. More people have started reading. So I wanted to throw some light on the beauty how the Vedas have been written, and I think people will appreciate this one. Vedas have been written in a very alankaric way, which is ornamental way of writing. So some of the alankars, you know, the figure of speech, which means ornaments or adornments. Just like the woman use ornament to enhance her beauty. In the same way, the Vedic mantras have been beautified by the ancient sages. So we have Shabd Alankar, we have Arth Alankar. I will not go into Alankar. Alankar itself is a big topic. So I will show you Rupak Alankar here. So Rupak Alankar is Payo ji maine Ram Ratan Dhan Payo. Ram is a Hindu god, metamorphically Ratan, precious stone, Dhan, money. So based on Rupak Alankar, you have Atishokti or Upma Alankar, different Alankars. One of the very much debated or misquoted, that is Purush Sukta, Brahmanasya Mukham Asid Bahu Rajanya Krata Uru Tadasya Yadveshya Padambhyam Shudro Ajayat. So this is means the Brahmana were his mouth, Kshatriya came, arms, Vaishya, thigh, and Shudra were assigned to his feet. What we will do in the next presentation, we are going to start with Purush Sukta and the science behind different Vedic mantras, and we will see different scholars how they have misinterpreted and what is the right interpretation of the mantra. With that, we will end it for the day. We will continue next time. Thank you.